Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to compress video VLC. So first thing that you will do guys is simply go ahead and go for the start menu and search for the VLC app. So just simply open it up, the VLC media player, and from here just simply go to the media on the top left corner of the screen and just simply go for convert/sale over here on the drop down. And now from here, just simply go for the add and just simply select the video that you want to be compressed. So I'm gonna go for this one. It is a 30 MB video and click on open. And now from here, just simply go for convert/save. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead, provide the destination file. I'm gonna go for browse over here. And after that, I'm just gonna simply select a destination where do I want to save it. And now click on save and click on start. And from here, guys, just simply wait for it to load up and automatically it will be downloaded into your destination file. So guys, as you can see, the original file was 30 MB and I have compressed it into 14 MB. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!